A 5 kilogram frictionless puck traveling at 8 meters per second collides with another mass of 3 kilograms, which is traveling in the same direction at 4 meters per second. They remain stuck together after the collision. If the kinetic energy of the two pucks after the collision is 169 joules, then the energy in joules converted to heat due to the collision is what? So to solve this, we can use conservation of energy. In other words, we can look at the initial energy in the system and set it equal to the final energy of the system. You could also write this as the energy before and the energy after. So what's going on initially in this system? Well, we know that there is some kinetic energy for the 5 kilogram mass. So it has some kinetic energy, and I'll put a 5 to indicate it's for the 5 kilogram mass. And we also know that the other mass, which is 3 kilograms, also is moving and therefore has kinetic energy. So that's all the energy in the system before. And then afterwards, we know that the kinetic energy of the two pucks together is 169 joules. So there's that energy afterwards. And then we also know that some energy is converted to heat in the collision. So we know that there's some heat energy that is, or some energy that's converted to heat. And that's what we want to find. We want to solve for that energy, which I'm calling H. So if we isolate H on one side of the equal sign, then we get the kinetic energy of 5 plus the kinetic energy of 3 minus 169. So I'll put the negative 169 joules first. And then we have the kinetic energy from the 5 kilogram mass. So 1/2 times 5 kilograms times the speed it's going, which is 8 meters per second squared. And then the kinetic energy of the 3 kilogram mass. So 1/2 times 3 times the speed it's going, which is 4 meters per second squared. Now we simply add all of these up and we'll find the heat energy. So we've got negative 169, and then we have plus 160 is what that one turns out to be, and then plus 24. And add all of these up, and we find that the energy converted to heat is equal to 15 joules.